Hey guys, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the Hyperjava system. Some of the videos we've had already are a little bit outdated, and actually by the time we actually go to market, actually we have a lot of changes. We've been pulling all-nighters that we're making live actually tomorrow, so when we create our user videos and everything like that. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick run through at our beta address. I'm going to send you guys all the information for your account, and I'm actually going to use your account for the video demonstration so that when you log in later you can see what it looks like and interact with what I've created. So I'm going to go ahead, and this information's in an email for you already. B. Johnson. Go ahead and put the password in, and there we go. When you first log into the Hyperjava system, you don't really see anything here. The heart of Hyperjava pretty much is to create ads that affiliates will put on their page. Pretty basic stuff, but the real power of it is that you can edit these ads at any time. So they can be on all of your affiliate pages. You can edit the ads. They're not just banner ads or images or something like that. They are actually full-on HTML ads. Hyperjava has a lot more features than that, but that's just the basics, and so I'm going to go through that with you real quick. So now that we're logged in, I'm actually going to create a campaign and show you what's going on. So we're going to create our first product. I'm just going to call it Widget X. And this is a campaign to sell Widget X. When you create the ad, you can actually even choose to be able to create a PayPal button to sell the product in the ad straight through PayPal, give affiliates credit for it completely within the system. So if you wanted to real quick throw together an affiliate program for just anything, you can go ahead and sell through PayPal. You can create the account, add affiliates, and you're good to go. You could also use Pay.com, ClickBank. I'm actually, once I finish the video, I'm adding a fourth bar here. That's a third party that teaches people how to integrate it with things like One Shopping Cart, their butterfly marketing, and everything like that. So right now I'm just going to go with PayPal. This is all Ajax driven, as you can see. When I click New, a little window comes up. The form interacts with the user, helps them along. So right now we're going to create a PayPal product name. I'm going to say this is Widget X. I'm going to say it's $50, and I'm going to give my affiliates 50% commission. In your account settings, you can set a PayPal email address that would be used globally in all of your campaigns. If you like, on a per campaign basis, you can actually override that PayPal email address so it can go somewhere else. As you had noticed, when I click PayPal, not only do these PayPal specific boxes come up here, you actually also get the thank you page section, where Hyperjava completely has a system in which you can create thank you pages, full HTML, directly within your account. And I'll show you that in a little bit. You could either have them go to a thank you page you created here, or just a custom page. So now that I added my PayPal information, I'm going to send them to Google after they purchase, and I'll show you the thank you pages later. Back-end offers. Just a real quick overview of what that is. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's say you wanted to sell Widget Z. Widget Z is a Pay.com product, and you want to give the affiliate who directed them to Widget X, you want to give the same affiliate credit. You would just go ahead and choose Pay.com. You would put in your affiliate ID, which you can also draw from your default account, Pay.com affiliate ID, and then you can also go ahead and put in the product ID of the product that you want to give the back-end credit for. So pretty much what's going on here is I'm selling Widget X, someone clicks on the button, they purchase, affiliate gets credit, and when they actually see the ad, a cookie drops for me, or I can set it to drop for that affiliate. The cookie drops for them for a back-end product that they can purchase later. So I'm going to go ahead and add the campaign, and so now we want to attach an ad to this campaign. So I'm going to go click Ads and Add New. So quick add for Widget X. This is a quick ad. The WYSI, we're using just a basic WYSIWYG here. So this is a quick ad. Perfect. So I'm just going to create a basic ad real quick, just very small. You can put in full HTML blocks, including video, just any full HTML ad. You can put in whatever you want. You can have an entire page, you can have one block. So then you go ahead, you create the ad, and you can actually use smart tags within it. We use things like, so we can create ads that have the affiliate's name in it. Hi, this is affiliate name here with Mike Vilsame. It gives it a kind of a personal touch. But what we could also use it for is displaying the price. Buy this, only $1, and then campaign price. We're actually filling these all out now. Every field available to campaigns is you can use as a tag. Every affiliate field, and there's actually a lot of other ones. We have widgets and everything like that I'm actually going to show after this video. So only campaign price, and I'm actually going to go ahead and put in a PayPal button. So now the PayPal button's in. We show the price. Now I want to add a little bit of color to that. You can use full HTML design tags. So I'm just going to put a bold tag around that, and I'll even go ahead and make it red. And so there we go. So now we click design. It's bold. It's red. Awesome. I'm going to set this as the default ad for this campaign, and I'm going to save it. We can already go ahead and preview the ad that we created. The tags don't parse through the preview system. It just makes it a little easier, especially working with the Ajax window. If users would prefer that it does render, that's just an extremely easy change that we can do. So I'll go ahead and close that out. If I also want to preview it, I can actually see in its full form via the direct link, and we'll explain this all in a second. So there you see, this is a quick ad. Buy it, only $50. I can actually click the PayPal button and perform the transaction now. I'm not going to do that yet because I'm going to use an affiliate to do the transaction, so I can show you guys paying the affiliates and everything. So I'm going to go ahead back to Hyperjava. What these two lines are for is direct link if you want to send somebody an email. I'm also finishing up code, it's another all-nighter thing, to turn these directly into Hyperjava branded tiny URLs. So like HJURL/123 so instead of this big ugly link. Throw that in an email, or if you like, you can go ahead and copy and paste this onto the page, which is where we're really using Hyperjava a lot. So let's say I wanted this ad to show up on marketing.com. I could go ahead into my HTML editor. Here's marketing.com. You could use Dreamweaver, anything. And then I'm going to paste the script tag directly in, just like AdSense. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And now this is on marketing.com. It's not on Hyperjava. It's a completely different server, completely elsewhere. I'm going to go ahead and I added it to the page. So now if I actually refresh marketing.com, you can see my ad down there at the bottom. This is a quick ad, buy this, only $50. And so when your affiliate puts that on their thank you page, they place it wherever they want. Like I said, just like an AdSense code, we could have put it up here. I put it at the bottom. It's just a little bit easier for the demonstration. So I'm going to go ahead and take that ad out. I'm going to go back, and as soon as an ad's created, Hyperjava is already collecting statistics for it. I can click Quick Stats, and we could already see that I have 2 impressions, 1 unique, for the ad. I saw it through the link, and I went to the page. And so just to display that you can do full HTML, I've got this video tag right here real quick that we used for 7-figure secrets. I could go ahead and paste that as its own ad. So I'm going to go ahead and do video ad, HTML, paste this. I'm going to set this one as the default. And so now, if I refresh the link that I had sent out in my email, there we go right there. If I want, I could go ahead and I could add the copy and paste code to marketing.com.